We are at the Holiday Inn Express and Suites, Roseville, Michigan. Oh, sorry. All right, let's go up to 4. Cut the picture out. Oh, sorry, come here.
No, you're fine.
Good.
Have you seen the TikTok trend that talks about like beige flags and stuff?
Thank you.
My
You're
beige
welcome.
flag is I apologize for everything.
Your beige flag. It's not red, but it's beige. What does that mean? Like it's a good thing, or?
I don't know. I take it with what you will.
I feel like a green flag is a good thing. Like
Are
that's
you
good.
supposed to get me my shoes? Michael is gonna be here in 3 minutes and we have to get me my shoes. Sorry.
Nope, no worries. Let's try that again. Or not. You know what? Let me just end the video here.